General service schedule.
Toyota uses service schedule, commonly referred to as A, B, C, D, etc. services to categorize different levels of maintenance. These can vary by region and dealership but generally follow a pattern based on mileage or time. Here's as a breakdown what these generally include. A service or basic every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers or 6 months, engine oil band filter change, check and top off all fluids. Tire inspection and rotation, visual brake inspection, basic safety checks such as light, horn wipers etc. B service. Typically every 15,000 miles or 12 months, include service A, cabin air filter replacement, inspection of brake, steering, suspension, cooling, and exhaust system. Service C, intermediate service, usually every 30,000 miles, include service B, engine filter replacement. Transmission inspection may include fluid change depending on model. Fuel system check. Service D, major service, typically every 60,000 miles to 100,000 miles, include service C, spark plug replacement, transmission fluid flush, coolant replacement, full brake inspection or service.
Hi dear followers, since this is major service, check all surrounding. Before moving to the next, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Beyond the D service, Toyota and many dealerships typically continues the maintenance schedule with services E, F, G, etc. Though these are not always standardized across all regions or dealership, instead, they tend to reflect extended mileage. Major service, coolant replacement, full brake inspection or service, drive belt check or replacement. These are guidelines. Always refer to your Toyota owner's manual or consult a Toyota dealer for the exact schedule specific to your model and driving conditions. Service.
Thorough check of a Toyota's body and electrical system involves inspecting various components and functions. This includes examining the vehicle's wiring, electrical components like the alternator and battery, and the body's structural integrity. A diagnostic system can be used to identify any electrical issues or error codes, and a visual inspection can help detect wiring problems or damage. Dear followers, this tip is to show the overhaul highlight indicating the scheduled services Toyota uses at different service periods for correct functioning of those vehicles. This procedure can also be used by different car models of similar operations with some differences. The details of this video that shows visuals of each activity or general and detailed operations are being organized. Hi followers, in this channel you find important tips that help you DIY, do it yourself. Let me remind you.
New fuel filter.
Dirt sedimented in. Filter housing must be cleaned. Perrier to replace new filter.
Here's as a generalized view of what comes after D, service E, typically at 90,000 to 100,000 miles, include service D, inspect band, replace timing belt if applicable, differential fluid service for AWD or 4WD, inspect or replace PCV valve. Service F, around 130,000 miles, include service E, full transmission fluid flush, radiator and coolant system flush, thorough inspection of suspension component, replace spark plugs.
Dear my followers, the service schedule you are currently following is concerning with petrol engines, the most and slight difference between diesel engines. But there is also similarities in schedule on some systems.
Possible wheel bearing inspection or replacement. Service G beyond 150,000 miles and up, focuses on fuel injectors cleaning, engine mount inspection, alternator, starter, battery tests, power steering fluid flush, comprehensive wear and tear assessment. Important notes: after 100,000 miles, Toyota recommends repeating major service elements at 30,000 miles intervals, that is 120,000, 150,000, etc. Hybrid models, turbocharged engines, off-road vehicles like the Land Cruiser or Tacoma TRD may have special requirements, example inverter coolant, hybrid battery checks, or transfer case fluid service.
Thank you for watching.